Hello everyone, welcome back to Anybody Can Trade ABCT. Today is 17th of Jan and this is our today's end of the report video traders. So again traders, today it was a very kind of a easy day. If you know, if you are on the Telegram channel, I give all the live market updates. So here we traded for this our favorite cup and handle pattern, inverted cup and handle pattern. In this pattern, if you see, one of my students asked me the SL was very big. Yes, exactly, the SL is very big. In such situations, what we should do is, after the breakout, if you see, the pattern is good, first of all. The pattern is good, but the problem is the risk is high. In such situations, what we should do is, instead of keeping SL above the as per the pattern rules, we can change our SL like here, like this is our resistance line. Above this, we can place our SL and we can change our modify our SL slightly and we can take our trades. This is how I today even I traded traders and I said like a pattern is good. How I decide pattern is good? If you see market moved like this and made a small M kind of a pattern like this and gave a breakout from here. And again same went back to here to retest. So here I was waiting for before this breakout I was waiting with two patterns. There were two high probability patterns. That is one like this. If it had made a cup and handle like this, then any breakout above this level, I would have taken trade for the first target of this around this level. If not, then I was waiting for the this kind of big cup and handle pattern. So anyways, traders, we got a good trade in this. And traders, what is important for most important for an option buyer? This is a big question. You should ask yourself. The most important thing for an any option buyer is the momentum. And if you had watched my some of my previous end of the report videos, I always trade momentum, and this is what I teach my webinar students also. See, after the breakout, there is a good one-sided fall, and here we get a very nice spikes in option premiums as well. And this is how today I was able to capture more than 100 points easily within 35 minutes in options, that too in options. And also you can see how I trail my stop loss and how I drag my trades and everything. Here I have posted in this Telegram channel. You can just see here around 12:37 I immediately put a message like why 12:37 when our risk reward ratio was around 1 is to 1.5. I asked to all my subscribers to like block some profit and start trading your stop loss, so that if I am trading with suppose 10 lots, then for around 3 lots it is recommended to book the profit and trail your stop loss, so that any reversal from this level it should not affect your should not end up in losing this trade. So and you can see here the same thing I in my trading also. See, I have bought two at the different time levels. Why I will tell you that also. And first lot I booked first some lots I booked around 12:36 means close to 12:37 only. And the next few lots I booked at the pattern target, that you know by default we have to lock some profit maximum quantities around here. And also you can see like 90% of the quantity I had booked and I was trailing my stop loss cost to cost by holding only 10% of the quantity to with some greed. That is, and that is how we should show greed in this stock market. And you can see I closed my trade at when I achieved more than 100 points, and more than that when the market was around 42,000 level. It is kind of a psychological support also I can say, because a lot of big players will have their stop losses buy order and stop loss orders around this 42,000 levels. So a big round number. So that is why I just closed my position instead of showing a big further greediness. And after this, again, one of my student asked about this why I did not trade this cup and handle pattern like this in Bank Nifty. See traders, because see, I am a trader. If you had observed me with a safe play, I'm a safe player. I don't play aggressively, or I don't believe in being aggressive in stock market. And if you see here, we have made a good money in this cup and handle pattern. And why should I risk my further capital in this risky cup and handle pattern trade? Because after the breakout, there is immediately one resistance. I avoid such risky trades. And even if you see in bank nifty, there was this kind of a cup and handle pattern, but the risk reward was not good. This week spoiled our risk reward also. And in again here there was one more cup and handle pattern like this, but this is not as per our rules. You can count the number of candles if you want. In traders, you can also get such kind of live market updates and support by just by joining a Telegram channel, and also you can see these levels how nicely they are getting respected in these blue color lines. Whatever I share to in my Telegram channel are getting respected during the market hours also, and these levels I share one day in advance to all my Telegram channel subscribers. You can see here I had shared yesterday only on January 16th all these levels, and these are getting very nicely respected in during market hours also. So thank you traders, thank you all. Actually, this news I just posted to all my subscribers because you can see these news are important because I think market there is some news about recession. If there is a recession, then we can see we should be careful in our with our investments in stock market because a big fall and a fear in the market will affect our investments also. That is why I have shared this, and also we should be keep updated with all such news because we are related to financial markets. So thank you traders, thank you all. Please comment, like, and subscribe to the channel, and I should share with your friends in the other groups. Thank you. See you tomorrow.